Yo, what's up guys? My name is cakerbaker69 and today we are going to be baking a freaking cake, guys. This is going to be sick. But today I have help from my friend Phil. We're going to be showing him how to bake a cake. It's going to be sick. Here we go, guys.
Okay, so now we're going to show you the ingredients. First ingredient, eggs. Self-raising flour. A big tub of butter. Sugar.
Phil, come on, man. This is a family show, dude. Not right now. This isn't the time or the place. Come on, buddy. Alright, so let's mix these ingredients in, yeah? How about that? Eh? We use this much butter. It's like 4 ounces. We just throw that in there. Fuck. Next, we got some sugar. About that much, let's say. Cool. And then maybe the same amount of flour. Alright. Boom. 2 eggs. That's what we need. So, there we go. Next egg. Oh, it's okay. It's all good. It doesn't really matter. Oscar! Hey! Hey, Oscar! Alright, so here we've got 4 ounces of sugar, 4 ounces of flour, and 4 ounces of butter. Alright, Phil, so now we're gonna mix it together, and yeah, so make sure it's on low, right? When you plug it in. Alright, okay, is that low? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's low.
Okay, plug it in.
Okay, plug it in?
Yeah, go for it. Are you sure that's on low, man?
I think it is!
Well, dude, that's on high, man! Why is it green?
I don't... So after an hour of mixing, it should look like this.
Okay, Phil, so right now we gotta butter it so that the cake doesn't stick. Oh my god. Okay, Phil, so after you've done mixing it and it looks like this, you want to make sure to nicely pour it evenly coated into the pan for, like, you know, so that it rises properly. Oh, just make sure you get all of it really neatly into the pan, okay? Oh, dude, like, really nicely. You just want a nice, good coating in the pan. If you miss it, it's no big deal. You just, you just pick it up and put it in. Alright, Phil, so now you can get spread it out really nice. You alright? Oh my god. Oh. Alright, so we're just gonna plop this in on 350 preheated oven. That's gonna be delicious when it comes out. You just put a timer on for around 20 minutes, I'd say. There we go. Alright, so now we're just gonna pull it out. What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god, oh shit. Okay. Alright, so yeah, it's done baking, so we'll just put some sprinkles on, you know? I like my cakes with some sprinkles. And voila! A delicious cake! Perfect. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, that's it. See you guys later.